You're still lingering like the old cologne that you wore. I still see your face in the empty frame by the door.
Hello, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Renata and this is another episode of Fridaysews. I am so excited to finally be in front of the camera today. Last Friday I was ready to go, but I just was not in the mood. I did not have the right mindset to record just because there was so much going on in the world and I just wasn't in a really positive mood, and I just could not come here and try to be all excited and pumped up when inside I was like, what is going on with the world right now? So I stepped back and I let the weekend go through, and here I am to share with you all of my sewing progress over the last week, or what I plan to do next week, and a little bit of life. So if you guys are interested, please meet me in the next section. Well, last week was just really crazy. A lot of stuff has been going on in the world, and I had completed one project last week in sewing, and I finished one this week as well, so I can't wait until we get to that section so that I can give you guys an update. But regarding life, not much has been going on. Hoot is on the mend. He is doing a lot better now. His paw is healing nicely. He can jump back onto the ledge and he is just full throttle. He can run really fast and he's having no problems jumping and landing on his paw. He's got one more laser treatment, so I'm really happy about that. Don't have to pay for that anymore, and he can heal up nicely, and no more cone. That cone has been a battering ram. I can't have a dog with a cone. I mean, my dogs need to stay healthy all the time because he has been hitting me. I have a permanent bruise at the back of my leg from where he just walks in and hits me all the time because he does not know that his cone is like twice as big as his head. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I did not get a lot of workout done this last few weeks. Not last few weeks, I apologize. These last few days, I did run 2 days and then the weather changed and it was super cold and I was not going to be outside running in those low temps. I just felt really lazy and I've done it for multiple years and I just didn't want to do it anymore. So no workout, and I feel really bloated too. So, you know, it's that time of the month, so I'm feeling bloated and I just didn't get a lot of stuff done regarding workout. So hopefully this coming week I can get back on a regular schedule, and the weather is starting to, you know, stay pretty similar over the next few days. So if I can get 4 days of really nice sunshine, not 20 degrees, but somewhere around 45 in the morning, that way I can run consistently every day and do some bar workouts. I have been eating really badly, so again, you know, it's that time of the month, I feel bloated and it's like ugh. So looking forward for next week and all the wonderful plans I have regarding working out and trying to be healthy. I also have been failing on my juicing. I've been juicing 2 or 3 days and not consistently. I've been snacking more and I'm just not sure why I'm doing that. So I'm going to have to start taking notes again as to what's going on. Am I stressed out at work? Is that why I need to keep, you know, eating more? But my plan is to juice on Sundays. That really helped me in the past when I started juicing consistently for the last 5 months. I would juice everything on Sunday and I would have 12 bottles in the refrigerator, so I could just go there and I'm in a zone when I do that. Then I wake up in the morning, I go for my run, drink my juice, start my day. Then in the afternoon I do my bar. So I'm hoping to get back on that schedule next week. So that is all that's going on the life front. The kids are doing really good. Isaac is continuing to drive Izzy had a fantastic show at Green Hall in Texas. It was amazing. It was her end of season show. She played a lot of new songs and she did some solo singing, which was amazing. Sadly, my phone was halfway dead, so I couldn't record it, and she's a little bit upset with me, but that's okay. She's got more coming in the future. And in 2 or 3 weeks, yes, 3 weeks, Sophia will turn 13, so I will have 3 teenagers in my house. My kids are growing and it's amazing to see them grow. It's also very heartbreaking because I can still see their little faces when they were younger and how much they really needed me, and now they don't really need me that much. But I'm looking forward to having more fun with them as they grow older. Now, let's talk about sewing. Okay guys, so like I said, last week I was all ready to share with you my completed project, and I have it right here for you guys. So last week I completed this McCall's Brandy. Yeah, it's this one. Now, I did ask in my Fridaysews which design I should go with, and you guys had to go with the long one, so that's the one that I did. Here it is. So I had a lot of issues, and when I say issues, it went together really nicely, so that's not the problem. The problem is I did not put any like stay along the bodice so that it wouldn't like drape like this. It looks like it's just draping in and it's not like structured. So I was really nervous, and I felt like, oh my gosh, I gotta go back in here, loose everything out, and then attach some elastic tape in here to keep it snug so it would stay up. But I tried it on and it looks really good, especially once I put a bra on. It looks really nice. I can't wait to share this one with you guys and to do some photos as well. It's going to look really beautiful and kind of give you guys a full review of this beautiful dress. And I really love the color. I typically don't go with colors like this, but I really wanted to try it. I do love all colors in the rainbow. I don't think that anybody should prescribe to only, did I say prescribe? Subscribe to just one color, saying, you know, I don't like red is not my color. There's so many different shades of red. There is one that works for you. I just feel that is a thing, you know. There's so many different shades of all the colors that you can find one that works well for your skin tone. So this is going to look really good, and I cannot wait to share it with you. And that's what I completed last week. So this week, and when I say this week, I mean like it's Thursday night, and I just finished this dress. This is the, hold on. This is a Minerva make. I'm going to be posting out on their blog, but this is the Sasha McCall's. I made version A right here, and I'm going tomorrow to a really pretty tulip farm. I wouldn't say really pretty tulip farm. I'm going to a tulip farm that has beautiful flowers, and I'm going to take some photos there. I think it looks really good. I ran out of fabric because of the hemline of this, so I picked up some sheer black fabric locally at Joann's just to add some contrast, because I wouldn't be able to find this fabric because it's from Minerva and I live in the US and they send this over to me. So I just picked up some contrasting fabric to help with that. It looks really cute. I just cannot wait to share it with you guys and, you know, give you guys a review of this. Like I said, I'm bloated. I think it fits a little snug around the waist area because I'm bloated. So I love it. I think it looks great, and I think it would look really good once I style it and I get everything the way I want it. But It's a little snug, and I made it a size 12, but I have been eating terrible. So guys, those are the projects that I'm hoping to share one of these review on Sunday and then next Wednesday, so we can stay on track with how I post my videos. Okay guys, next week sewing is going to be really intense. I want to start working on my beautiful Simplicity tiered dress with that fabric from Zalou, that beautiful blue fabric. This is a collaboration that I'm working on with Simply Delilah, so I'm really excited and I cannot wait to complete it. I have another spot that I'm looking forward to showcasing that dress in as a beautiful backdrop. So you guys know I love finding amazing places to share my 360 so you guys can see the completed project in all its glory. So I'm looking forward to doing that. We still haven't decided exactly when we're going to post our final videos, but I do believe it is going to be probably like the 20th of March. So it's coming up really quick. The next thing I'm working on is the So Frugal challenge. Guys, I don't know what I'm going to make for that just yet, but I really have a heart right now for separates. I know I love making dresses, and who knows, after I say all this, I'm going to have a dress, but I'm really feeling separates right now. I think I want to make a blouse. I want something really feminine, something very flowy, something very spring ready, and something that I can wear consistently, and something that would look great with jeans, with skirts, or with shorts. So I want a pattern that is a 3-for-1. So I can get 3 looks with 3 different bottoms. So that is the plan. And I shouldn't be buying fabric, but I feel like I want to start buying some spring fabric, so I might be looking for new places to shop regarding fabrics, because I typically go to the same place, Mood Fabric. I get from Minerva and then Mood Fabric, and I just kind of want to broaden my inventory of fabric and then just see what's out there. So if you guys have any recommendation, I would love to get your input. And that is pretty much it. And there you have it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, I would love for you to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and then head over to Instagram, follow my Instagram account, check them out. I try to post very frequently on there, and then I have stories up as well. And if you're on Facebook, I also have a Facebook page with the handle The Twilight Stitcher. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on my next upload. Bye!
Push you away and we're done just